Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And today I have some, I guess not unboxings, but reveals for you. I picked up a few things and just thought I'd share them with everybody. I'm kind of excited. Well, I'm excited about all of them. But I recently had a few things that I put for sale on the RealReal. Actually, no, that's not why. I actually purchased something from the RealReal and I got a credit for doing it, which I wasn't expecting. So I decided to purchase with my credit a couple things. And so I thought I'd show you what I got. That's part of this. So the first thing I got came in its box. It's by, okay, someone told me how to pronounce this. Proenza Schoeler? I think it was Schoeler. But they're the ones that made this bag that I have. The all suede bag, which I haven't used yet, clearly, because the tag's still on it. Stop laughing. That's like a winter bag. I do that in winter. It's suede.
Okay.
We haven't had snow yet. In fact, we had a thunderstorm today. But I got this. I thought this was really cool. I got this little pouch. I just thought this was awesome. So it's suede, and it's kind of like a purplish pink. Is it coming up true to color on the...
It's coming up a little pinker on the camera.
Okay, so it's like a pinkish purple. And then the straps are basically for looks. You could take them out, but I don't know why you'd want to do that. And it's just a snap, and then it opens up. Oops, to nothing. No, it opens up from the RealReal to this, just an inside. There's just a pouch. It's just a fabric pouch. It's really similar to, and let me just pull one out here just to kind of show you size-wise. It's tangled. Okay.
That's a shock.
Yeah, where's the Jeopardy music now or something? It's similar to like a mini pochette. So here's a mini pochette. So it's obviously a little bit longer, but definitely thinner. It also has a flap on the back, which I think is really cool. And again, then just this interior, you probably could stretch it to carry a good amount, but can you carry as much as this carries? Well, I guess if you wanted it to look funny when it was all bunched up, but it doesn't matter, because I almost throw this at everybody. I just thought it was cool. It's got like the silver hardware and just a really cute piece. It was in really good condition, and I really like it. So I have that. And then the other thing I picked up was I want to do a project.
Oh boy.
Stop. So I watch Ed Braun.
It's pronounced Ed.
Yeah, I know how to say Ed. Okay. And I love the stuff he's been doing. Where he's purchasing bags and then he basically recycles them. I mean, he is taking these bags that are pretty much ready for Goodwill or the garbage. And he makes them like new again, so many of these. Or the ones that he does have, like he just had the Louis Vuitton one done. But I love how he's painting these bags and giving them a whole new life. And people can keep them from years to come again. So I thought I'd dabble in this very tinily.
Tinily?
That's my new word for the day. Tinily, everybody. I'm doing a tiny baby step, toe in the water, myself. They had this on the RealReal. I can get it out. And this is just a keychain from Tiffany. Now you probably won't be able to barely see that. It just says Tiffany and Co. on here. It's their little heart keychain. There's the back of it, and just the tag. And they had this, and as you can see, it's not the cleanest thing in the world. So, first off, I am going to try to clean it. And if I clean it, great. Then I'm going to have this beautiful pink keychain. But I have also purchased some leather paint in Tiffany blue color. Stop shaking your head. And some paintbrushes. And my plan, if this does not come clean, which, you know, I'd like to think that they'd already have cleaned it so they'd know if it come clean or not. But we know they don't do that. That's why I found a rebag tag in one of my real purchases not too long ago. If I can clean it, I'm going to keep it as is, and I'll have a nice little return to Tiffany. It doesn't say return to Tiffany, but it says Tiffany and Co. Keychain. But if it doesn't come clean, which I'm kind of hoping it doesn't, I will be able to paint this that Tiffany blue and just see how it comes out. So that's my little project thing. And this thing, they sold it, I think it was $30. So I was happy because on the website they're, I think, $200 or $225. So yeah, I'd much rather pay $30 and clean it myself and or paint it myself, because the paint I think was $2. So yeah, I have that project coming. More to come on this one. See, look at that. If I get it painted, it would match that.
God, I hope it comes clean.
You're not nice. Such a comedian. It's not nice. Just because you think I don't need one more thing to start working on.
That's a true statement.
I know, that's what you're worried about, that all of a sudden stuff's going to start showing up like crazy.
You're going to have to add on to our house.
Right, like, oh, why are you getting all this new paint, Jamie? Don't worry about it, you know, it's just like, but he films me, so he knows. So, yeah, so I did that, and then one other thing. Oh my gosh, am I excited about this. I am so excited about this.
How excited are you?
I'm very excited. This is so cool. So, I have to say a thank you to Lula LV. She talked about when to look at the Hermes website. And so because of that, I've had a newfound love of Hermes items. I really like the Kelvy card holder. Love the Kelvy card holder. I think it's, if I had to pick my favorite SLG, it might be the Kelvy card holder. I shouldn't say only have, I have two of them. Stop it. And I just love them. I don't know why, if it's the simplicity of that or what, but I just love those card holders. So I've been checking the website. I look for bags. There's been some nice bags that have come up. Nothing that I necessarily would have wanted forever is the Kelvy card holders. They used to be on there all the time. You could get them all the time. Bunch of different colors. And I've been looking, no card holders, no card holders, no card holders. For months, there's been no card holders. There's been one ostrich, what is it called? The Ballista, the little coin one I unboxed not too long ago. But there was one of those on there, but that was it. No more of those. No more Kelvy card holders. And all of a sudden one day, there was. Not only was there one, but if I could have picked out of all the colors they do, if I could have picked the one color I wanted, the one I wanted was there. So I got my nice little box here again. It's already opened. I checked it because I couldn't wait. I opened it. And this was really ironic as well, because I just got done watching Meredith and Dale and their trip to like London and Paris and everything. And they had said that they had asked if there was Kelvy card holders in the store, and there weren't any in the Hermes store, which I found really interesting because last week is when this arrived. So I got, I'm so excited. Oh. Can anybody guess? Put guesses down below before I reveal this, if you know. If you've been watching me, you probably would have a few guesses, but then again, I do like color, so it might be a little harder. They had the Kelvy card holder in the Rose Extreme. I love this color. Oh my gosh. So there it is. It's got the silver hardware. It says Hermes on the inside. Paris. I adore this card holder. It's simple. It's simple, but out of all the colors they had, there are 3 colors from Hermes that I especially like. There's a blue too, but that's 4th, so we'll go with top 3. Rose Extreme. Love, 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 love this color. And I like it because I think that it's probably out of the other ones I like the easiest one where if it got dirty, it would show it the least. But I also love the green color that Dale just got on her Birkin 20 or her Birkin 30. Keep that bag forever, I say. And the other green, the one that's more of a Kelly green, kind of more like my shirt color. Those 3 colors I love, but I wanted a Kelvy card holder in this Rose Extreme in the worst way, and I almost fell over when I'm just browsing, I'm looking, you know, thinking I'm not going to get anything, but it's cool that it's out there, and it's cool that I see if you go out there, they post new items at 11 o'clock Central Time, or I'm sorry, no, 10 a.m. Central Time. They post new things, and this wasn't 10 a.m. I just went out there randomly one day because haven't been as adamant of checking as I was because I recently made a purchase of an Hermes item that will be coming up, you know, in a future video. Yes, thank you. Words are hard. So I haven't been looking as
diligently.
Thank you. Oh, words are hard. What would I do without you?
One tends to wonder.
Right? So I just found it on a whim look, and I love it. So, if you ever, I mean, I could do reviews on Kelvy card holders. I probably have already somewhat, but I can't recommend them enough. They're awesome. They fit a ton of stuff in them. They're cool. They're compact. I love them. Don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I have my new Crayola sweater on today, too. I don't know what it says. It says something up here, but I didn't realize.
Lucky something or other.
Yeah, I don't know if I realized they both said something when I showed them, but yeah, and I have green socks on too, just in case anyone cares. But yeah, that's my video for you today. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well, JAME_S_Jam. Please leave a comment down below in the description box, or below the description box. Man, words are hard for me today. And I love interacting with everybody in the comments, so please, if you can, leave a comment. That helps me interact with you, get to know you a little bit more, which I really appreciate. I really appreciate everybody being here. And I'm looking forward to doing Vlogmas this year. Right now, I've been putting out videos twice a week. It's been usually Wednesdays, and then it's kind of Saturday or Sunday. It's kind of been going back and forth. I actually accidentally put up a video that's going up on Saturday. Last Saturday I put up a video that's supposed to go up this Saturday, but then I put out a new video on Sunday last. So anyways, this one's going up, and then on Saturday I'll have the one.
This is where the director would yell, "Cut!"
Right, the one that went on. Okay, whatever. I have videos coming up. I try to put them out on Wednesdays and usually Saturday or Sunday. But I will be doing Vlogmas the 1st through the 24th, at least, of December this year. Thank you so much for being here. And please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.